In this segment, we'll go through the process of closing your project. Closing your project involves several steps. It's formalizing your project acceptance, updating project documentation, filing historical documentation as an organizational asset, and reviewing project processes to determine what improvements should be made. And remember, even though the topic says close project, this activity should be conducted at the end of each phase, not just at the end of the project. Some of the inputs to this process include the project management plan, contract documentation, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets, work performance information, and deliverables. All of these items should be quite familiar to you by now. If not, you should go back to some of the previous chapters and review them. We're going to move on to the tools and techniques of this process. It includes project management methodology, project management information systems, and expert judgment. Outputs from the process include administrative closure procedures, and that would include also releasing your project team members, the contract closure procedure, the final product service, and the organizational process asset updates. Let's take a look at administrative closure procedures in more detail. This would include such activities as collecting all project records, analyzing project success or failure, conducting, documenting, and gathering lessons learned, and remember, lessons learned should be conducted at the end of each project's life cycle phase, not just at the end of the project. It also includes archiving records and includes final documentation of roles and responsibilities of closure process and how they were fulfilled. It also includes documenting that requirements were ultimately met, verification of meeting requirements, and the stakeholders' acceptance of project results. It also confirms that exit criteria for the project has been satisfied. This concludes the close project activity. In the next segment, we'll go into contract closure.